girl magic. Y'all can't stand it, y'all can't ban it. Made out like a bandit. They've been trying hard just to make us all vanish. I suggest they put a flag on a whole nother planet.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Erika and I'm back again with another video. Not only am I back with another video, but I'm back with another Mask Monday. Oh yeah, oh yeah. One day there will be an intro for Mask Mondays. I promise. I think I'm gonna keep Mask Mondays. That's gonna be like the one stable thing on my channel, is there will always be Mask Mondays, I think. Unless like someone tells me never do a mask again or else my skin's gonna break out all the way, then there's always gonna be Mask Mondays. So this Mask Monday I will be doing the Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Bio Repair Gel Mask. I got this in my Peter Thomas Roth mask kit thing that came with 5 or 6 masks from Walmart that I told you guys in my last Peter Thomas Roth mask review about, with the pumpkin enzyme mask. Yeah, this is one of the ones that came in it. It's pink. If you're feeling extra bougie, you guys can put it in the fridge, and putting it in the fridge, it like is so cold in the beginning, but it really helps lock the moisture in for real. So this rose stem cell mask, what does it say it can do? This cutting edge plant biotechnology isolates the perfect rose stem cells for maximum anti-age repair, which is not really what I'm doing it for. It helps to stimulate cell turnover for younger looking skin. I am all about cell turnover because I do have like dark spots on my face. They are going away because I've been using bio oil and masks and exfoliating and stuff. Like, you guys might be like, wow, that's a lot. I can't really tell on this camera. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell on this camera. I'll like zoom it in, but my face used to be covered in dark spots, like way more than this. So that's why I like cell turnover. So what you use to apply and clean skin, I did clean my skin. I used Noxzema to clean my skin. I put on Noxzema and then I leave it on for like 5 minutes and then I wash it off. I used coconut oil to take off my makeup beforehand. You allow to remain on your skin for 10 minutes and then you rinse with cool water, or you could leave it on overnight. Sometimes I leave it on overnight. I think that's what I'm going to do tonight. You use it 2 to 3 times a week or daily for intensive repair. So I'll tell you what I thought about this mask while I put it on. I guess I'll zoom in for you guys too. Y'all are real close and personal now. Can you see my dark spots now? Kind of. I got a pimple right here. But yeah, they're mostly on like the sides of my face. It used to be so bad and so dark, so this is like a really good improvement. I'm just gonna put it on. I'm not gonna use a mirror. We're gonna see how this goes. So yeah, about this mask, as I said previously, I really do like this mask more when I remember to put it in the refrigerator, but I don't keep it in the refrigerator all the time because I feel like I forget to use it. So I like to have it in front of me. Usually I see it while I'm washing my face and then put it in like the freezer or the refrigerator so it can cool down really quickly and then put it on. But I was already filming, so I just grabbed it. There's a moisturizing kind of mask that comes in the kit. This one is not that, but I feel like this does help my skin retain moisture, whether it be because of the cell turnover and that just makes like new skin, so it just makes it easier. I don't know, but I can't really talk about the anti-aging thing because I'm only 21 and when I have no makeup on and my hair not done, like not in protective styles or anything, I look 15. The only reason people know I'm not 15 is because I'm tall, and so I don't really know about that. But for the moisturizing and helping to retain moisture, it definitely does that. I think this is all I'm going to put on. Oh, and on my neck. A lot of people don't put their masks and stuff on their neck, and that's why one time I read like your neck is the giveaway to your age because a lot of people don't like wash it, exfoliate it, put masks on it and stuff. And so ever since I read that, I've been putting masks and stuff on my neck. So yeah, usually on my Mask Monday reviews and stuff, I wash off the mask for you guys. I show you my face afterwards. But I could just tell you, okay, yeah, if I fall asleep with this on, I know I'm gonna be super oily. I usually have oils on when I go to sleep, but I'm obviously not gonna put bio oil on when I have this face mask on. So I know I'm gonna be oily because when I wake up I'm always oily whether I have oil on or not. That's all for the video because I'm going to sleep with this on. I recommend this mask if you want it for cell turnover. I'm not going to recommend it for anti-aging because obviously I wouldn't know about that. There is a different mask for moisturizing, not this one, that works really well also, and that will be in a mask review coming up. So stay tuned for that one. So this mask I would not give a 10 out of 10 because I feel like I don't know the full effects of it. So I'd give it like a 6 out of 10. Maybe a 5. Like I would not go out and buy this mask by itself if it didn't come in the kit. Then that is my final review. So the kit is about $30, maybe $25 at Walmart. If it's still in Walmart, at your local Walmart, you may be able to find it online. I saw online one for $75. Do not buy that one because it's bound to come back in Ulta or Sephora or Walmart for $30 just like it was before when I bought it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, enjoy my Mask Mondays, enjoy my mask reviews, please, please, please thumbs it up, share the video, you know, tag Peter Thomas Roth if you want. I don't care. I'd love to do a sponsored video with masks from Peter Thomas Roth. Share this video with your friends who might want to try this out. Come on! And subscribe, guys. I really would like you to subscribe. Please, don't make me beg. Thanks, guys. Bye.